truck won't crank. Diesel done gelled up in the lines. Had to come up with a way to get it thawed out. So I come up with using this greaseless fryer. I'm getting it turned on. And it fit perfectly under there. So I'm gonna let the hood down and bring the temperature up and see if I can't ungel these lines. Get this diesel to flowing. Yeah, that's a perfect heat source. The fire's in the drum, so it can't get to any parts of the truck in the hood or nothing. So, but it puts out a tremendous amount of heat. So let's give it a try.